Drizzy rain. Clouds are heavy, in the sky, the wind is blowing, low and high. Rain is falling, drip drop down, water is scattering, on the ground. In drip drop rain, tree get bright, everyone is happy, with lovely sight. In drizzy rain, we can float paper boat, but in drench rain, we must use raincoat. When work of rain, finally done, clouds are eager, to show the sun.
I have lots of friends, but Fatima is my best friend. She lives nearby my home. She studies in my school with me. We both study in class 7, in the Zilla Prashad school. She is very intelligent and help me in studies. She is a hard worker, and sincere and always keep to learn new things. I feel blessed to have a friend like her in my life, and thank you God for having her in my life. Today I am speaking few words on Holi. Holi is colorful celebration. We gather to rejoice in the spirit of love, friendship, and unity. Holi is a time when we forget our differences and come together to spread happiness. So, let's splash vibrant colors on each other, play fun-filled games, and cherish the joyous moments with our friends and family. Remember, just like these beautiful colors, let kindness and compassion fill our hearts, making the world a brighter and more harmonious. Using earphone while driving can be more dangerous than driving under the influence of liquor. Latest research says driver using these mobile phone as a means of faster day-to-day communication may be heading for an accident. The study has shattered the common belief that drinking is the chief cause of the majority of road mishaps. Taking on mobile phone increase the risk of one's life compared to driving after being drunk. The findings of the study are based on the survey of several casts.